Have you ever thought about growing your own herbal remedies? There's a unique charm to it. It's not just cost-effective, but also provides you with the freshest ingredients right at your fingertips. Imagine having your own little pharmacy in your backyard. Interesting, right? First, decide which herbs to grow. As you embark on this green journey, it's essential to choose herbs that align with your health needs. Mint, for instance, is a great aid for digestion, while lavender can help alleviate stress. Rosemary, on the other hand, is believed to enhance memory. Each herb has its unique medicinal benefits, so explore and find what works best for you. But don't forget, your choice should also consider the local climate, as some herbs may not thrive in certain conditions. Remember, the choice of herbs depends on your health needs and climatic conditions. Now prepare for planting. Growing herbs demands a thoughtful approach. Sunlight is crucial, as most herbs love the sun. Well-draining soil is vital, and remember, overwatering is a common pitfall. Consider these factors diligently. Proper preparation ensures healthy growth of your plants. It's time to plant and nurture your herbs. Begin by sowing your seeds or planting your young plants in nutrient-rich soil. Ensure they're well-spaced to allow room for growth. Regular watering is crucial, but be careful not to overwater. Pruning or trimming your herbs encourages bushier growth and more yield. Keep an eye out for pests. Natural remedies like neem oil can help keep them at bay. Remember, your herbs need your attention and care to thrive. Finally, harvest and use your herbs. Timing is key. Pluck in the morning after dew has evaporated. Create teas, infuse oils, or sprinkle them in your culinary creations. Discover the joy of homegrown herbal remedies. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and improve your health naturally. Growing your own herbal remedies is not only rewarding but also promotes a healthy lifestyle. From choosing the right herbs, preparing the soil, to harvesting, each step is a journey towards wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!